Hello, what's up guys? This is SketchBob J. In today's video, I would like to talk about Mercedes Benz Vision EQS concept. There are articles in internet says that this car is going to be produced in 2021. If the information is correct, then EQS is definitely going to be the flagship of EQ series such as EQC and EQV. We are curious, and today I'm going to make how production EQS will look like, and this is sort of my personal idea and hope you enjoy it. If you guys are ready, then let's get started. First of all, I have to break this seamless shoulder line to place production side windows and B-pillars. Coming to the front, again, hood and front glass will be more realistic. In the concept car, you don't really see this A-pillar, but here we need to have one. Front glass might end here. This might be the Y section of hood and front glass. Here there's a light belt. It's going all around the body of the car, but in production car I don't think it will stay like this. From front graphics, it is likely that there will be break between lights and grille. Unlike the concept car, there will be multiple parts gathered in this area, and you can find some possible details from production EQC and EQV as well. And at the moment I'm thinking of making some vertical grills here. Actually, holographic lamps has to be a little bit bigger. And I will put 2 lens bezels like the other models. This is 3 possible daytime running lights where you can find from other Maybach concepts. Coming down to the front skirts, I think Mercedes can add chrome decoration at upper part of this lower air intake rather than lower part. Extra lights around here and air intakes here to cool down the batteries placed under the seats. Side skirt area shows many details, but I guess there will be a chrome decoration added here with closed rocker panel. Then parting light shall look like this. Okay, this is it. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe, click thumbs up and alarms for this channel. I'll be back with more interesting car next time, and bye bye.